Hello friends, this is the fifth video of JavaScript tutorial, and today in this video we will talk about the various comparison operators. In the previous two videos we talked about the data types. The first data type was the numbers data type and the second data type was string. And today in this video we should have talked about the third data type, which was Boolean data type. But before Boolean data type we will talk about the comparison operators, and after that we will talk about the Boolean data types. So let's start with this. So here we will first of all talk about the various comparison operators. What are comparison operators? The comparison operators are the operators which help us to compare the two values. Whatever these two things are, we can compare them. For example, if the two things are equal or they are not equal, or the left hand side value is greater than the right hand side, or if the right hand side value is greater than the left hand side. And so these all are the comparison operator which help to compare between the two values, and these are very much important while we use loops. In the upcoming lectures we will talk about the loops also. Okay, so there these comparison operators are of great use, so we will talk about them today, and after that we will in the upcoming videos talk more about them. So let's introduce the comparison operators. So I will write them here in comments. So the first comparison operator we have is equal, and the sign for it is double equal. Okay, in JavaScript we don't use a single equal to sign to show that two values are equal to each other. We use double equal to sign here. So it tells me that what are the various if two things are equal, then it will tell me whether the two things are equal or not. If the two things are equal, then it will give me a value which is true, or if these are not equal, then it will give me a value that is false. The second comparison operator we have is not equal to, and the sign for it is this. This is the sign for not equal to. So if there are two values we are having, and if these two values are not equal to one another, then it will give the answer as true. If they are equal to one another, then it will give the answer as false. Then we have the third type is third type of comparison operator is greater than. Okay, and the symbol is like this, and it tells if the value in the left hand side is greater than the value at the left hand side right hand side or not. So if the value at the left hand side is greater than the value at the right hand side, then we will have a value true as a result. The next one is less than, and the symbol is like this, and if it checks if the value at the left hand side is less than the value at the right hand side, and if it is true, then the answer is true, and if it is not, then the answer is false. Then after that we have the next type of comparison operator is greater than or equal to, and the symbol is greater than or equal to like this, and it checks if the value at the left hand side is greater than or equal to the value at the right hand side or not. If it is, then the answer will be true, and if it is not, then the answer will be false. And the last one we have is less than or equal to, and it checks if the value at the right hand side the value at the left hand side is less than or equal to the value of the left right hand side or not. So These are the 6 comparison operators we have, and we will use them one by one, and we will see the result what they give to us. Okay, so let's start. Let us suppose that we are having a variable a, and that is equal to, let's say it is 20, and we are having a variable b that is equal to, let's say 30. Now I will use my first comparison operator, that is equal to, and for this I will type here document.write. Here I will write a simple string, is a is equal to b. Okay, and I want my answer here, so I have written it here, and now I will create a new variable, let's say variable var, using var, and result1, result1, and here I will compare a and b. So inside the bracket I will write a is equal to b, equal to b. This is what I will do, and here now I will print it. So for this I will write document.write, and here I will write the result. So let's save it. Let's save it as tutorial5.html, and after this we will open it, and here it is it has not shown me anything. Why it is not showing me anything? Let's inspect. And here you can see document.write. Here we have a problem. Yes, so the problem is that instead of result1 I have written result. You can see here it has shown me. So what I will do is, because I have given the name of the variable as result1, okay, so I will write, instead of result I will write result1 here, and you can see after that I will save it, and after saving it I'll again refresh the page here. I will refresh my page, and here you can see it is giving me false. Because why it is showing me false? Because I had told you that if the two things, it will compare whether the two things are equal or not, and here you can see that a and b, they both are not equal to one another, so that is why it will give the result as false. Okay, so it has compared the two values and it has given the result to me. Now let's go for the second one. uh, Now let's use not equal to. So for this also we will do the same. So here also I will write document.write, and here is a and b are not equal, so let's say this, a and b are not equal. So what I will do is I will now use another variable I will create, and I will create as result2. Let's name it as result2, and after that I will compare the two. The comparison will be using this. So a is not equal to b, okay, and here it will give me document.write. I will print it using this document.write, and here I will write result 2. And now let's see. Let's refresh it, and here you can see A and B are not equal. Yes, it's true that they both are not equal. Okay, so it has compared A and B, and it has got that A and B are not equal, and this is true that they are not equal. So we have got, but I want to show it down there in the second line. It is not looking good here. So what I can do, one more thing here. If I want to uh, write this thing not beside it but in in the second line, then in that case what I can do is I can create another variable here. Let's create one more variable here, and let's name it as line break. Okay, I have given it a name as line break. Here in double quotes I will write BR, and that's it. Okay, now I will write here document, because I want to break my line from here, so that is why I will write a document.write, and I will write this variable name line break, and that's it. Now let's save it, and after saving it, let's go here, and here you can see that it has break the line has broken from here, and it has gone to the second line. Okay, in the similar way I will again write here document.write. I'll copy it because I want the others also. So I want other results also in the similar way, so I will put here document.write line break, and it will break from here. And now I will start for the third one, and here again document.write. Here is a, okay, so a is greater than b. A is greater than b. Is it true or false? So for this again same thing, I'll give it a new variable result 3. Okay, and here I will use a greater than b. So is it true or not? So we can see here it is not true, but let the computer also see. And variable result 3 is equal to this, and here document dot write result 3, and after this we have again document dot write line break. Okay, and let's save it, and again go to the browser, and here let's see a is greater than b. False, because a was 20 and b was 30. So a is not greater than b. So a is greater than b, no. That's why it has given a result false. Okay, in the similar way now let's come to the next. Let's compare a is less than b. So for this I am going to copy all this again and only make a little bit change in them. So a is less than b. Instead of this now I am comparing for less. So a is less than b, and here I will use this one. Okay, because I am using less than, and here instead of this I will use 4. Okay, and for 4 in the similar way here line break, and let's save it and then refresh here, and it will give you true because a is less than b. Yes, true, a is less than b. Okay, in the similar way, now let's come to the other last two values, and for them again same things we will use. So I'm going to copy it here to save some of the time, and here also, and here is a is greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to b. So a is greater than or equal to b, is it? And I will name it as result 5, and here result 5, and here less than or equal, less than or equal to b. So here less than or equal to b, and this I will give the variable name as result 6, here result 6 and line break and file save, and here you will get the other results too. A is greater than or equal to b. Is a is greater than or equal to b? It's false. So now it will see whether it is greater than or it is equal to also. Here in the upper one, a is greater than or a is greater than b? No, it is not greater than. And is it equal to b? No. For both it is giving no. So that is why the result is false. But here in the last, you can see that a is less than b. Yes, it is. Okay, but it is not equal. But any one of the two is true. So that is why it has given you the result as true. So this is how we can use these operators. We have just done the introduction of these, and we are going to use them more when we will start loops. There you will find that they are of a lot of use. So till then, I hope you liked my video, and in the next video we will start with the Boolean data type. So please subscribe to my channel for more videos, and have a great day. Goodbye.